What's up, class? Evans here. Certainly is cold today, so I've got a bigger jacket on. Today, you're going to make this part. It's going to be called 4.1b, and I've got 4 parts under this that we're going to make. I think maybe only 3. I haven't decided yet. But anyways, this is the first part that you're going to make. And if you look at it, I'm not teaching you anything new here, so I think you could probably make it on your own. What you have is a box that is 4 by 2.5, right? And you can extrude it 2.5 inches back, and then you can cut out a corner. This is a 1 inch by 1 inch block, a 1 inch by 1 inch block, and then you have half an inch up, half an inch over, and then you can get that if this is half an inch and this is half an inch, then this is 3 inches wide. Now you can do that in 1, 2, 3, 4 steps if you want, and that would be the subtractive method. Or you could do the additive method and just draw the shape out with your line tool and extrude it 2.5 inches forward. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to jump over to Onshape and do that. I'm going to hit fast forward on that part because I know you can do it without me. So let's go to it. Don't forget to include, I know it's a long name, sorry. Maybe we should cut it down. Let's get rid of the part that says model creation and just put 4.1b, part 1, class period, and initials. All right, time to fast forward. All right, one thing I do want to show you here is there's an arrow here that lets you decide which direction you want to extrude it. Now that's a bit of a problem. Sometimes it goes and assumes the wrong direction. And maybe some of you have been running that glitch where you tell it to like cut through something and it's cutting through the wrong direction. This will give you the control to do that. You can even do it symmetrically, where it like puts it in the middle. I'm going to do that this time just to put it symmetrically because it looks kind of cool balanced. It doesn't matter if you do it that way, but thought I might share that with you today. Now let's create a sketch on this front surface here. This is going to take 5 dimensions, 4 of them inside of the sketch, and that is because this little shelf that is here has 2 dimensions for sizing and 2 dimensions for location. So the sizing of this thing is 1.5 by 1/4, and I need to put a dimension on where it is located. And its location, according to the thing, is 0.75 down. And it is, if you look at the dimensions, it is half an inch over 0.5. And I believe that centers it. And then the last dimension is how far to extrude it. So we have 2 location dimensions, and then in 2D we have 2 size dimensions, and now we have the how far out it comes out, an extrusion dimension. And that is supposed to be 0.75. All right, that's it. Send me a view of the part with the 2 extrusions showing here. Unless you tried to do all the other cuts, then that's fine. But make sure that the part tree is shown. You're not going to get low points because you had more extrusions. That doesn't matter to me. And then make sure that the title is shown. All right. If you have any questions, again, of course, ask it on Zoom. Or send me reminds, communicate with me if you're having trouble, because the more issues that I know that you have, the more that I can, help you and help others if they have the same problem. Well, I think I'll leave that in the video. That was kind of weird that it popped up with that. I must have had an internet connectivity issue. All right, so make sure to turn in the screenshot for me, and I hope you do well trying that first part on your own. Wish you the best of luck, and I will see you later.